Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious no-bake Oreo cheesecake. But before we get started, I want to thank OREOiD for sponsoring this video. With OREOiD, you can customize your favorite OREOiD cookie from fudge or white fudge, a variety of colors, sprinkles, and add your own photo or pre-made design. This allows you to create a memorable, personal gift for all occasions. You can add custom messaging on your OREOiD cookie. This adds the final personal touch. From congratulations to thank yous, you can use OREOiD for so many different occasions and scenarios. OREOiD cookies can be shipped in gift boxes from 12 count to 24 count. You can choose how many and how exactly you want your gift to show up. Custom cookies are a great treat for gifting or hosting during the holiday season. Shop OREOiD via link in the description box. Now let's make our no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Okay, so we're going to begin by getting 34 of our Oreo cookies. 24 of them are going to be used for the crust and 10 of them are going to be used for the filling. So we're going to get them, open them, and separate them from the cream. The cream, we're going to use it for our filling, so nothing's going to waste. Okay, so once we have separated our cookies from the cream, now we're ready to make our crust. Okay, to make our crust, I'm going to be using my processor. So we're just going to crush our 24 Oreo cookies. They're 48 after you open them. Okay, so once we have our cookies all nice and pulverized, now we are ready to make our crust. Okay, so just make sure that you grease the sides of your springform pan. Now we're going to transfer our cookie crumbs. And to that we're going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So just mix it until it feels like wet sand. Okay, once our cookie crumbs are coated with the butter, now we're going to begin to press it down. Just make sure that it's nice and even. Okay, and once we have our crust, we're going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to harden meanwhile we make our filling. For our filling, we're going to be using 2 envelopes of unflavored gelatin. We're going to mix that with 1/4 cup of water and just mix it until it begins to thicken up. Okay, once it thickens up, we're going to allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to place our unflavored gelatin in the microwave for 30 seconds. And once it's all nice and smooth, we're going to set it to the side and get ready to make our filling. Okay, I'm going to go back to my food processor, but of course you can always do this step by hand as well. So to my food processor, I'm going to be using 3 blocks of cream cheese at room temperature. And I just cut them into large chunks so like that it fits in my food processor. Okay, to that I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract and our cookies cream. Okay, so now we're going to mix until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so we're going to open it, scrape the sides, and everything should be nice and smooth. Now we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of sour cream and our unflavored gelatin. Okay, so we're going to mix for about 20 seconds. Okay, and after 20 seconds, we're going to add the rest of our cookies. And I just broke them in half. And we're going to lightly crush them. All right, Alrighty, and just like that, we have our filling. Okay, so now we can get ready to transfer it to our crust. And just pour it. Make sure you get everything. Okay, now we're just going to even it out. Okay, so now we're going to place it in a refrigerator overnight or for at least 4 hours. So now we can get ready for the fun part. So we're just going to open it. And it's okay if it cracks because we kind of could put it together. And just be careful. If it gets stuck, carefully pull it apart. Okay. And I'm going to get it out of the pan. And I'm just going to push it over to get it out of the pan. And now we can get ready. Okay, and I'm going to be topping it with my OREOiD cookies that I customized. They're perfect for this time of year. Okay, so I already sliced it just to make it easier. I'm just going to top it with some whipped cream. Okay, I'm going to grab my OREOiD cookies and place them on top. Okay, and just like that, now we are ready to enjoy and get everybody's reaction. Grab a slice. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, so I have a special cookies for my son. So now we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. Now I am so ready and I know Gio is ready too. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. So you ready? Ah, he's going for the cookie. So cheers and enjoy. The cheesecake, so smooth, so creamy. You taste the Oreos, it's like a big old Oreo, you know, it's so good. And the best part, super easy to make. And of course, you know, giving it the extra little unique touch of the OREOiD, it's the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious no-bake Oreo cheesecake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, thank you OREOiD for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you click the link in the description box so you too can shop OREOiD.